Hey everyone! Wow, what a beautiful morning! The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and birds are singing everywhere. I feel so fresh today. You know what? It's a perfect day to go to the park. Yeah! Today, we'll learn simple English phrases that you can use when you go outside, especially to the park. So listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's enjoy this little story together. I look outside my window and see green trees and flowers. I say, the weather looks amazing today. Then I put on my comfortable shoes. I smile and say, I'm going to the park. Now you say it with me. I'm going to the park. Nice. You sound great already. I take my small backpack and pack some things. A water bottle? Check. A sandwich? Check. Sunglasses? Check. I say, okay, I'm ready to go. Packing my bag feels like preparing for a tiny adventure. As I walk outside, I see my neighbor, Mr. Johnson, watering his flowers. He waves at me and says, Hey, Alex, where are you going? I wave back and say, I'm going to the park for a walk. Repeat after me. I'm going to the park for a walk. Wow, that sounds amazing. I start walking down the quiet street. The sun feels warm on my face. I take a deep breath and say, I love this fresh air. On my way, I see little kids riding bicycles. One boy almost falls, and I say, Oops, are you okay? He smiles and says, Yeah, I'm okay. See, you can use oops when something small surprises you, and yeah when you agree strongly. Finally, I arrive at the park entrance. There are tall trees, colorful flowers, and birds flying around. I say, this place is beautiful. I see a fountain in the middle. The water splashes gently. I sit on a bench near it. It feels so relaxing. I say, I love this park. It's so peaceful. Now, try this. I love this park. It's so peaceful. Children are playing nearby. Some are laughing loudly. Haha! Some are running with their dogs. I say, wow, everyone looks happy today. I take my water bottle and drink slowly. I say, this water is so refreshing. Then I eat my sandwich. Yummy. A little squirrel comes near me. I say softly, Oh, hello, little friend. It makes me laugh. How cute. As I walk a little further, I notice a park bench with a woman reading a book. I say, Hello, what a nice day for reading. She smiles and says, Yes, it's wonderful. Repeat after me. It's a wonderful day. Before moving further into the park, I take a deep breath again and say, I'm so happy to be outside today. Repeat with me. I'm so happy to be outside today. I see a small playground with swings and slides. Some kids shout, Yay! As they slide down. I smile and think, yes, everyone is enjoying themselves. Spending time outside is really good for your body and mind. You can use simple sentences to describe what you see. For example, the sun is shining, the birds are singing, the flowers are beautiful, the path is clean, the kids are playing happily, and the water in the fountain is sparkling. I continue walking along the park path. The trees make a soft shade over me, and the wind moves the leaves gently. I say, this feels so nice. A jogger passes by and smiles at me. I wave and say, Good morning. He replies, Good morning. Repeat after me. Good morning. Wow, simple greetings can make people happy, right? I see a small pond with ducks swimming. The water shines in the sunlight. I say softly, "Oh, the ducks are so cute." One duck quacks loudly. Ha ha! I laugh and say, "Hello, little duck." Now you say it with me. Hello, little duck. I continue walking and notice a woman walking her dog. The dog jumps excitedly. I say, "Wow, what a happy dog." She laughs and says, "Yes, he loves the park." Repeat with me. He loves the park. See how we can talk about animals, people, and feelings? It's easy. Next, I find a quiet corner in the park with flowers and a small bench. I sit down and enjoy the view. I say, "Oh, this place makes me calm and happy." I love relaxing like this. A boy comes near me and asks, "Can I feed the birds?" I smile and say, "Yes, of course." He throws some crumbs and the birds fly around. "Yay!" he shouts. Repeat after me. "Yay! The birds are eating." I take out my notebook and write a little note. I love this park. I feel happy and relaxed. You can try writing small sentences about your day too. Writing and speaking together helps you learn faster. I stand up and walk to a playground nearby. Children are playing on swings and slides. Some are shouting, "Whee!" and others laugh. Ha ha ha. I wave at them and say, "You all are having fun." Repeat, "You all are having fun." There is a small ice cream cart near the playground. I say, "Oh, ice cream? How nice." I buy a chocolate cone and say, "Yay! My favorite." Then I take a bite and say, "This is so delicious." A little girl next to me smiles and says, "Can I try?" I laugh and give her a small piece. She says, "Thank you." I reply, "You're welcome." Repeat after me. You're welcome. As the sun starts to go down, the park looks golden. I say, "Oh, the sunset is beautiful." The sky changes color, orange, pink, and purple. Wow, it's amazing. I take a last deep breath and say, "I'm so happy I came to the park today." Repeat, "I'm so happy I came to the park today." Finally, I start walking home. I wave to Mr. Johnson again and say, "Goodbye, see you tomorrow." He replies, "Goodbye, Alex." Spending time outside is wonderful. We practiced many sentences today, talking about people, animals, nature, and our feelings. We also used fun expressions, haha, oh, whoa, yay. You can do this too. Next time, go to a park, look around, talk to people, describe what you see, and use your English. Each small sentence makes your speaking better. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning simple English while going to the park. Wow, what a fun day!